project shows how water, air, water, and sun can be a source of power for renewable energy. My hypothesis was tell about what you were trying to test out. Falling water would turn the turbine. My prediction that tell you that might happen. The turbine would turn when water fell on it. What I did produce this will be the time you will demonstrate or tell about what you did. Use PVC pipe and cool noodle to make a turbine. Water turned the turbine. People use this idea today. Tell how this is used today in homes, businesses, farms, and Niagara Falls generates electricity for New York,
I think we'll do this so the octopi can see.
Stay where you are.
Okay, so grab the water. There it goes. Very nice.